the only option for us. We live and breathe it. Regenerative farming, regenerative living. It has to be the future because otherwise there is no future. Hello, I'm Amber and this is Tim, and we're at the Kandanga Farm store in the Mary Valley. Anyone can come to the store and get produce, fresh produce, and they can have a meal here at the cafe and know that they're supporting local farmers doing really great things with organic and regenerative food production. Consumers have actually been removed from our food systems. Part of what we're doing here and the model that we've created is actually to try and bring the consumer back in, to open up those lines of communication so they know exactly where their food's coming from.
How it's produced.
How it's produced. So the more we all engage with the food system, we all engage with our food, and we ask questions that will then determine how that food is produced. That's how we make an impact on the planet, on our well-being, on the national health, on everything. I love the idea that what we're doing is actually wellness farming. So what we're doing is contributing to human health and human well-being, not just physical health, but mental health, spiritual health as well.
And building landscapes and using animals to fix landscapes is the other part of the whole equation that just gets forgotten about a little bit.